Welcome back to Product Critique, where we give you the lowdown on the best products available on the market. Today, we're diving into something that will transform your laundry experience: the Snuggle In-Wash Scent Booster in Blue Sparkle. If you're looking for the ultimate addition to your laundry routine, you're in the right place. So, let's get started. The Snuggle In-Wash Scent Booster, specifically the Blue Sparkle variant, is among the top contenders in the scent booster category. With a delightful fragrance that combines the essence of white floral and bright green citrus, this product will elevate your laundry from mundane to magical. Imagine your clothes smelling fresh, just like a spring breeze, with every wash. It's the perfect way to add that extra touch of freshness to your fabrics. Now, let's unpack what makes these scent boosters so special. Each pack contains 4 21-ounce bottles of Snuggle crystals, totaling a weight of 6.2 pounds. But what's truly impressive is the way these crystals work. They dissolve completely in all water temperatures, making them easy to use whether you're washing in cold, warm, or hot water. This versatile application means that regardless of how you prefer to do laundry, the Snuggle Scent Booster will seamlessly integrate into your routine. Another notable point is that these scent boosters are heat-friendly. This means that they are designed to work perfectly in high-efficiency washing machines, allowing you to enjoy a burst of fragrance without compromising your machine's efficiency. That's an important factor to consider, especially if you're among the many who have recently made the switch to laundry appliances. Using the Snuggle In-Wash Scent Booster is simple and straightforward. Just add your desired amount of crystals to the drum of your washing machine before loading in your clothes. You can customize the amount you use depending on your preference for scent intensity. Whether you want a light hint of fragrance or a robust aroma with every wash, you have the flexibility to create the experience you desire. Who can benefit from using Snuggle In-Wash Scent Boosters? Absolutely anyone who wants their laundry to smell extraordinary. Whether you're a busy parent looking to freshen up your family's clothes, a student managing laundry on campus, or simply someone who enjoys the little luxuries in life, these scent boosters are ideal for you. They also make for a thoughtful gift for friends and family who appreciate fresh, fragrant laundry. In summary, the Snuggle In-Wash Scent Booster in Blue Sparkle is a fantastic product that promises to enhance your laundry experience. With its pleasing scent, ease of use, and compatibility with various washing machines, it stands out as one of the best scent boosters available on the market today. Treating yourself and your wardrobe to the delightful fragrance of Snuggle is just a wash away. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to subscribe for more reviews of amazing products and tips on how to make the most out of your purchases. Until next time, happy washing.